I feel inspired today, guys. I feel inspired to try something new, something I've never done before, something I don't even know if it exists yet. This came out of a joke. I made a joke with someone, and I was like, oh yeah, Japanese chicken and waffles. And I'm like, Japanese chicken and waffles? Is that even a thing? I don't even know if it's a thing. I've never had it. I've never made it. I don't know if anyone else has made it. I've never seen a recipe for it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try to make Japanese chicken and waffles. I've never even made regular chicken and waffles before. I don't even know if I've made a waffle before, now that I think about it. I'm not entirely sure I've made a waffle before. It's like pancakes. How different can it be, right? How different can it really be? Anyway, guys, we're gonna try it out. We'll see how it goes. Of course, every video is an excuse for a new toy. We're using a standard waffle recipe, but for savory waffles, we're not going to use any sugar or vanilla, which is commonly used, and instead we're going to use a pinch of salt. We're splitting it up into two bowls so we can try two different flavors. One, we're going to use sesame oil, and the other we're going to use miso, which is fermented soybeans. Now we're putting the miso into a blender since miso takes forever to mix. Oh yeah, waffle magic. Should apply for Waffle Hogwarts. No fryer? Let's heat the oil up on the stove. Today we're going to try corn oil, even though it's probably not very Japanese. Next, we're going to set up some bowls with our flour, eggs, and Japanese panko breadcrumbs to bread our chicken. Okay, now we're just cutting chicken. You know how to do that. Now, for a new twist, we're going to try wrapping one of our chickadees in seaweed before we bread it. Oh, such a newbie mistake. Season your meat, kids. Season your meat!
Now, we sliced up some seaweed to sprinkle in with our breadcrumbs because we wanted to make sure we got the most out of our Japanese flavors. Now we need a thermometer to check the temperature of our oil since we're using a pot and don't have a digital fryer. So we started frying at 350 degrees for a shorter amount of time, then we tried lowering the temperature and cooking longer to see which one worked better. They both seem to work fine. The higher heat, shorter time has the darker crust. Oh, we can't forget this. We have to make sure we stack them nice and pretty for Instagram pictures. Hashtag woke. Hashtag squad goals. Now, I think this was semi-Japanese, but we'll still need someone to invite us to Japan to see if we can do something a little bit more authentic next time.
This was absolutely delicious. I'm definitely making this again. A+. Amazing. Amazing.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I want to thank the people that donated on Twitch to help make these videos possible.
I feel inspired today, guys. I want to try something new that I have never done before. Shit. I have never shit before? Okay.